What up? Good evening, good morning, or afternoon, depending on what time you're watching this. So I want to talk about the one thing to remove to lose weight. And so the one thing is your carbs. So why carbs? Okay. So let's talk about the other macros because the other macros are important, very important. That's why carbs is the less important macronutrient. Macro means macronutrient. Okay, so you have protein. Protein preserves the muscle, right? This thing doesn't do me justice, but protein preserves the muscle. Okay, and it also builds the muscle. Okay, so you want to keep that high. If you keep it low, you're gonna tap into your muscles to reconstruct your other parts of your body, your other organs, your hair, your skin. All right, you don't want to do that. So have a surplus of protein. I recommend 1.2 grams. Okay. Studies show that all you need is 1 gram to maintain. Right. So let's not be average. Let's not do the minimum. Let's do 1.2. Okay. So what I do 1.2 grams of protein. So that's why you don't want to move that. Okay. You don't want to change that. Now fat. Fat is essential for your mental capabilities. Fat helps your mental faculties, helps you think clearly, helps you think fast, and your brain uses it for energy a lot of the times. Okay, if you take out all the fat, you'll see what happens. It's horrible. I don't recommend it. You can't think straight. Okay, so because fat helps your mind's neurons and neuron receptors as well as your hormones, you don't want to mess with that. You don't want to remove that completely remove it. You could remove some, but not all of it. Okay, so I always recommend your weight times 0.4. Okay, it's a general rule of thumb. It's a high number. You could do 0.5 if you're a little more heavy set. Okay, if you're more heavy set, do 0.5. So that's like 50% of your macros, but that's if you're heavy set. Okay, if you're really big. So 0.4. So your weight times 0.4. Okay. Let's look at how mine would look. Calculator. I have this against my laptop right now, so I can definitely do it right now. What happened to it? Calculator, come on, bro. Okay, now it's on. It's on. Let's see. I'm 145 pounds. 145 pounds times 0.4 equals 58 grams of fat. So that's how many grams of fat I should eat minimum, okay? So that I don't get all crazy and out of control with up here, with my mind. So 145 times 1.2 is 174. I eat about 170 grams of protein a day. Because I did this like a few months ago, but now I just know it. I just keep hitting the number, right? So those are the numbers that I take on every day. Say the same foods every day. It's just that my carbs are the ones that fluctuate. So this is where you want to remove the carbs. If you want to lower your caloric intake, lower the carbs, okay? Lower the carbs. Lower your carbs, okay? Because the other two you don't want to mess with. You don't want to mess with the fat. You don't want to get all like, oh, I can't think straight. Don't remove your fat. Your protein, you want to maintain your muscle. Make sure that you will also build muscle at a slower rate. Okay, so with the carbs removed, you could burn fat and build a little muscle. So there you go. That's why you want to remove carbs if you want to lose weight. So just remove that one macro and you'll be all right. But remember the formula: 1.2 protein. 1.2 times your weight for protein and 0.4 times your weight for your fat intake. You don't want to go less than that. What's up? Somebody was on here. How you doing? On the middle of explaining that formula. So yeah, hope you could get some value from this. Welcome to my live. So I was talking about the one macronutrient to remove to lose weight, and that is carbs. Okay, If you have any questions, let me know. Comment below. I can't see who's on since this is my business Facebook page. Nevertheless, reach out to me. You can always reach out. You have a specific question, and I'm off. I'm not online. I'm gonna get back to you on my messages. All right, I always do. If you want to learn how to build muscle, go to my website. How to build. No. That's not my website. My website is miguelsmuscleprogram.com. So go to miguelsmuscleprogram.com. When you go to miguelsmuscleprogram.com, you will get everything you need to know to build muscle. So go there if you're serious about building muscle. This one was more about the nutrition, but it's still connected. Keep your protein high to build your muscle. All right. So if you want to learn how to build muscle, go to miguelsmuscleprogram.com. Okay. Hope you have a great night. Hope you have a great day. And yeah, talk to you soon. Peace.